Alright, so Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bazar Rahman and I am currently a student of O levels Cambridge. So today's our topic is basically the photosynthesis of O levels biology. Alright, so basically what is photosynthesis? In this topic we're going to discuss basically the basics of the photosynthesis and the equation of the photosynthesis. So let's get started. Alright, so if we talk about the photosynthesis, so the word photosynthesis is derived from the Greek word photo, which means light, and synthesis, which means reaction. The word photosynthesis is made from basically two words, photo and synthesis, which mean light and reaction. Because if we talk about definition, so photosynthesis is the process in which plants uses the light energy of the sun stored in the chloroplast to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This is basically the process by which the plants make their food by themselves. It's an ability given to the plants by God, and it's not in the mammals. So it's basically an ability by which plants can make their food in form of glucose by their own. So this is basically the process in which the plants uses the light energy from the sun, which is basically stored in the chloroplast, to convert the inorganic carbon dioxide and water into organic glucose and inorganic oxygen. Alright, so in this basically, what if we talk about the role of the chlorophyll in this? So the role of the chlorophyll is only to store the light energy. It is only to store the light energy which is to be used, and it is also a question that how does the photosynthesis convert one form of energy into another. So we can say so that in the photosynthesis the light energy of the sun is basically stored or trapped by the chlorophyll, which is later converted into chemical energy in form of glucose. Alright, so this was basically about the basics of the photosynthesis. So let me show you about the equation of the photosynthesis. So the basic equation you can see over there. So it's basically CO2 plus H2O. CO2 means carbon dioxide, and H2O converted into glucose and oxygen. So just wait for a second. Let me show you the equation of the photosynthesis. Alright. So this is the equation of the photosynthesis which you can see on your screen. So it's basically carbon dioxide plus water, CO2 plus H2O, converted into sugar, glucose and oxygen. And in the sun's light energy is used, and chlorophyll is not a reactant, but it is also used because it's basically the thing that stores the light energy. It is basically not a balanced equation. So if we want to balance it, we will add 6 in front of carbon dioxide and H2O, and also 6 in front of oxygen on the other hand. Okay, so this was all about the photosynthesis in only a time of 3 minutes. So if you liked the video, so let me know in the comments. Thank you.